Hey guys, so for today's video I'm going to show you how to make vertical footage look a little better when you put it on YouTube. So first thing you want to do is just go to YouTube and find a clip that is filmed vertically, like on a phone or something like that. And let me just get rid of these things a minute. Oh my god! Oh no! Fuck! Okay, no, just no, hurry! Oh, fuck! Oh, fucking hell! No, that's alright either. Okay. Shit. And then next, what you want to do is you just wanna, once you've found your clip from YouTube, just bring it into your video section down here, and you'll notice that a lot of vertical videos have these weird black side bits, and you know we don't want that. So all you have to do is press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. And then you move your clip and you put one over the top of the other. Click onto your clip. Now what you want to do is click the bottom clip and then simply just go to your motion. You do want to scale this one up first though, so what we're going to do is we're going to click the top clip, scale it up just so that it fits like that. Now you want to click your bottom clip and do the same, but on this we're going to scale it up to about 230. That way, well, a bit more than that. But it doesn't matter how far out to the sides you do it, as long as it just fills like the black bits, you should be fine. Okay, that went a bit far, but it doesn't matter, you can scale it however you want. Now you'll notice that you can still see the clip and you only have the sides, but what we're doing is it's sort of creating an illusion that you're seeing the clip like almost mirrored, but really you're just putting the blur effect over the top. Have the blurriness as much as you want. I only have it on like a little bit so that you can still sort of like see the clip. Then what you want to do is delete the audio from the bottom clip so that you've just got one layer of audio, and then that's pretty much it. There we go.
I have the power of God and anime!
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like if this video was helpful, and leave any comments for suggestions and more tutorials in the future. Also subscribe if you're new to the channel, and remember to click the bell icon so you never miss an upload and stay notified on my videos. I will catch you in the next one. Peace!